Let me show you how a pro importer actually imports from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Pinduoduo, 1688, Taoba, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce platform, or any Chinese e-commerce website or apps, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how pro importer actually import from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Then after you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for the product that you want to buy on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. There are so many ways by which you can use to search for products on Pinduoduo. One of the first ways is to come to the top right here, click on here and type the name of the product you are looking for. Alternatively, you can use this camera icon right here, which allow you to upload the product picture sample with this camera right here, and you're going to see a similar result. Or you can begin to scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up, just like what you see right here. However, once you are able to get the right product you want to import, next thing you need to do is to add a product to cart. So I need a modern table right here, which I'm going to use as an example in this particular tutorial right here. So I'm going to simply go ahead and click on so I need this type of table right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on the product link right here. So after you click on the product link, allow it to load up and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to check on the product detail. You can simply scroll down right here and check more from the store. Then scroll down right here. This allows you to see the product graphics. The more you scroll down, the more you see product detail right here. Just like so. So once you are satisfied with the product graphics, next thing you need to do is to add the product to cart. And for you to add the product to cart, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this particular icon right here. Just like so. Having added the product to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to go back. Click on here to go back. The next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to fill your cart. Then you have the product right here in your cart. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and place the order. For you to place the order, next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed. The next thing you need to do is to choose your means of payment right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use my Alipay right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then enter my payment password right here. So payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on done right here. And I'm going to click on here to close this pump up. I have to go back to my profile. So just like what you see right here, the product is going to be moved to the successful pending. So just like what you see right here, we have paid successful for this. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to open it. And you have the product right here. It's as simple as that. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation using Pinduoduo, 1688, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce website, contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.